Okay, it's 11:15 on the 6th of December. We're heading out for a storm chase today. As you can see, we've got cumulus already jumping on the Illawarra escarpment. That's probably 30 kilometres away. Excuse me. We are not expecting big things today. The shear is pretty hopeless, to be honest. What I'm hoping for is a decent lightning show, and that's quite possible, especially later in the afternoon and into the evening. This one's rumbling away at a place called Meryla. Of course, the storm itself is uncatchable. It's in an area that you just can't get a road to. This is off just south of Moss Vale, actually. That was CG somewhere, but another CG, but again, I think it was in an area that is shaded by this hill. Just missed a nice CG out of this, but I'm sure there might be another one cooking. Okay, we're just heading towards Barrel. One of my least favourite places to chase locally. Just northeast of Barrel. It's turned into a bit of a CC fest, unfortunately. That means in cloud lightning. We're just northeast of Moss Vale. Found a little side road. Still some traffic noise, but might not be too bad. This one hasn't done any bolts out the back like I expected, so gonna head up the road more now. Big anvil here from the Marulan storm, but according to the lightning tracker, it's not the best one to be on at the moment. Couple of little cells here in the middle of nowhere. We're just on the Canyon Lee Road. I think we've got time. What we'll do is we'll head up to the Wombeyan Caves Road. And at the Wombeyan Caves Road, we might be able to pick this up a bit. Bit of a gamble. And then later in the day, we'll head south again. Heading north, there's a cell here that's probably just west of the highway. maybe on the Wombeyan Caves Road. I've actually seen a couple of big CGs come right down from the anvil on this. Drive it like you got 1,000 points on your licence. Even Mr. Green P plate wants to speed. Sadly, we can't seem to get any closer to this storm. Very noisy, but the CGs have disappeared. Okay, we're heading towards Goulburn. It's kind of exploded pretty quickly. It's been rather dry looking out this way up until the last half an hour, and all of a sudden there's storms everywhere. That Wombeyan Caves Road storm has died completely and utterly, but these might deliver the goods. Well, that was a wasted 10 minutes while bolts were coming down at a garage that lost power, so I got 50 cents worth of petrol before the pump went out. I could have kept going and got onto these bolts. Probably have to head towards Bungonia. Not my favourite spot, but then again, every one of them's not. Looking quite nasty down there. We're at Marulan. Let's see if we can get a bolt. There's one. Okay, this storm is on the Bungonia Road. What we'll do is we'll head down to it because it's back building out towards Tarago and Goulburn now. Okay, we're heading towards Bungonia. Probably a quite severe storm, this one. Not bad for a low shear day, but the cape and that's been building up all day, and it's probably starting to feel that change coming up from the southwest. Even though that's way back in the Riverina, it's probably starting to bite into the upper levels a bit. Some nice cloud lowering there. Oh, nice bump off to the side. Yay! Oh, yes, that was a score. Oh, lovely bump. Quite strong wind there. Quite light sky, but rain is thick. Not big drops, just thick. We might break out of it. You know, the sky's that light that we must be near an edge. Whoa! Go watch for any branches coming down. Whoop. Some twigs. It's all coming from behind me, so I dare say I'm just ahead of the rain call. Okay, we're just on the edge of this. We're big rain shaft in front of us. We're heading in a northwesterly direction, going from Windelamar to Goulburn. And I should say there is a little cell down to our south there.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to like and even subscribe, or click on the link to watch another video.